Yes! What is up, guys? It's Josh with DepriveD Productions. Starting off a new tutorial series today. The UE4 Minecraft style tutorial series. We're going to do Minecraft stuff, block stuff, cube stuff, box stuff. You know what I'm talking about. I got this world here. We're learning how to generate different things with blocks and materials, kind of like they do in Minecraft. We've got a lot to learn, a few different things. So let's F11 and escape this. And today what we're going to do is we're going to take this box we have over here, and we're going to make the Minecraft style grassy top dirt side material they use for a lot of obviously the grasslands and regular areas. So we're going to right click here and create a material. I'm going to name it Minecraft. If I can, oh God, let's try this again. Minecraft. Okay. So the thing is, I'm going to go ahead and drag it onto my box and let's get started. And what's cool about this is we're going to use textures right out of the starter content. So, I mean, that's freaking amazing. We're going to make it right with the UE4 stuff. So let's jump right in. Let's get started. Let's move the window over here because you know how we do by now, I hope. And there's our box. Here's our material. Let's get started. Now, since we're going to use a couple of the textures out, let's grab them first. Go down to Content Browser. Content Browser number 2. As you can tell, I'm already in the textures of the starter content. You can see here. I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to grab the grass. Okay, that's pretty cool. And we will also grab, let's zoom out of this window here so I get a little more room. Boom, there we go. That's we got the grass here. Where was it at? Come back. Love you. Let's grab the normal map of the grass. Okay. Let's grab the gravel. We're going to use that as our dirt, and we'll grab the normal map of the gravel as well. And that's it. Now the thing is, we'll just go ahead and move our normals out of the way because we're really just going to work with these textures right now, okay? We're going to do a couple things. Now, we have two different things to do. I'm going to explain that in a second. First things first is we want grass only on the top and dirt all around the sides when we click on this cube. Now, the thing is, there's a few different ways to do it, but we've done it a few times with the World Align blend, which you might remember us using, the World Align blend. You know what I'm talking about? We lerp it, right? We hold the letter L over here, and we plug the alpha with normals right in here. Or something normals with normals and stuff, and we end up oh God, not in B but in alpha, and then we end up using these two textures and we plug them in. Now the thing is, even though I put grass on the bottom there, or on the top there, grass has to go into the bottom, okay, and dirt has to go into the top, and then boom, and there you go, and you plug this into base color. Now it's not going to do anything because we have to set our blend sharpness and our blend bias, right? So let's hold the number 1. Let's get 2 of these bad babies, okay? Let's make sure we got this one clicked. You can look around our ball right here, little something, nothing happening. We're going to set this right here to, let's set the blend sharpness, okay? I want you to set it to the number 10. Okay, cool. We got the number 10 going on there. You're like, I don't see nothing yet. Duh. Don't worry, guy. Just relax, guy. Go into blend bias there. Let's click on that one. Make sure we're clicked on that one. Let's press -4. The old -4. Now, let's see what's going on here. Let's look at it here. We got some dirt all around the sides. Wait. Well, we got a little grass on the top. Okay, that's pretty cool. Now, the thing is, we're going to need to click to the box because we can kind of see what it looks like on the box. And every time I switch to the cube, Unreal crashes, so I had to start over. But I'm back, and guess what? The cube is selected, and now we can rotate it. We got grass on the top. We got brown all over the sides. We got grass on the top. Boom. Now we can save it. We'll go out of here and look at it on our cube. See if we like what we're doing here. It's already applied to our little cube in this little cube world we got going on. Okay. That's a start. Okay, let's keep going. Now that's one of the looks we need, but there's one other thing we need. So check it out. Now I'm gonna move this on up here. Let's just move it way over here like this. Come back a little bit with you. Okay, just come back. Let's drag these back, and I'm gonna unplug from base color. Okay. Now we're gonna need these 2 bad babies again, so I'm gonna copy and paste them down here. Okay, that's what we're gonna do. Now follow me here. We need a texture coordinate. Okay, you got the texture coordinate. You got the texture coordinate action. Okay, we need to mask it out. We've done this before. You got to type in the word mask though. Okay, and what we're going to do is we're gonna mask out just the green channel. Okay, we're going to get this kind of like the white to black gradient. We want the white is on the bottom and the black is on the top, but we need the opposite of that. So 1 minus. Okay, so now we have it backwards, right? You know what I'm talking about? A little white on the top. We need to multiply that. Actually, what I'll do is I'll just hold the letter M. Hold the letter M like that. Boom. Plug this into the top. I need you to multiply it by 1.25. Now, you're probably thinking, okay, bro, you're getting a litlittle tedious, okay? Well, just relax. Okay, just check it out. Drag another line, type in the word power. Because we got the power. We've always had it. Now, the thing is, what I'm going to do is I'm gonna set this power to 10, okay? I'm going to set it to 10, and you're going to see what's going on here. We've got a little white line at the top. Now, if I set this back to 1, I just want to show you why I did this. Set it back to 1. You can see what the power's doing. A little bit of power. It's a little bit too much of a gradient. I don't want such a gradient there, so 1.25 ends up making me happy. You know what I'm talking about? It makes me happy. I get down with it, but the thing is, we've multiplied it, and we don't want that to be any brighter than 1, so we need to clamp it, okay? So C-L-A-M-P, I think, is how you spell clamp. Not clap, because I don't got any of that, I don't think. Now, the thing is, it's min already between 0 and 1, so that's fine. So now we can just hold the letter L, because you know how we do when we lerp. We've been lerping everywhere, and we got our lerp, except now we got the grass here and the dirt there. Same thing, grass in the bottom, dirt in the top. Plug this into... way over here, base collar. My God, we're making a mess of things, and let's see what we got. Okay. Whoa, you see what I did there? You see what's happening? A little grass on the top, a little dirt on the bottom and the middle, and some of the top. Okay. Now here's a little problem. I don't know if you noticed this, but the top, yep, that's the problem, and it's the way the cube is unwrapped in its modeling software, because honestly that has a lot to do with this too. But considering this is unwrapped and it's normal in UE4, we got to figure out a way to work with this, right? We got to figure it out, so we will, and it's actually very simple. Now the thing is, we're going to jump back into this, but a couple things to actually remember is we're also going to set a couple more settings and stuff over here too. But like I said, it's not a bad start. It's really not. I mean, besides the top there, it's not a bad start. But actually, it's actually a really easy fix. Now, I want you to look at this. This was our original one, right? And if we plug it back in here, plug it back in right here, plug it right in right here, it does like the dirt and the grass. Well, see, all we actually need to do is keep this grass, but make all this dirt have this. So what am I going to do? What am I going to do, bro? I'm just going to do this. I'm going to literally just delete the dirt, huh? And now we're going to plug this big giant lerp we created into A. What just happened there, huh? It's that simple, guys. Boom, you got your bottom and you got your top. Cha-ching, bada bing, we win. You know what I'm talking about? That's all. We win, okay? Now we can go back and just double check and make sure it looks cool, and it's pretty sweet. Now, there's a couple things. I've got the cube here, and I've got it set to the grid locked and set to 100. That way I can hold Alt and click a few times, and boom, have another cube, and I can grab both of those and bring them over here. We got another cube, and it's grid locked, and boom, there it is, guys. You got 4 blocks, Minecraft style, you know what I'm saying? But we're not done. We're going to add a little normal to it real quick and finish partying it up. But the point is, we're using UE4 materials or textures, so let's be honest, this looks a lot better than the really low-res stuff they use. But hey, I respect them. Okay, I respect them. It's nothing like that. Don't be rude. Now there's our setup right there. Boom. Now here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna drag it way over here. I'm gonna hold the letter C, get a comment. I'm gonna type in diffuse, because that's exactly what that is. That's like our collars and textures and whatever not. And now I'm gonna literally grab the whole thing. Control C, Control V. Oh God, no overlapping, bro. I'm gonna zoom way in here and name this one normal. Oh God, no more oral, no moral, morals. Not that. All right, so normal. Now, the thing is, all we need to do is grab these 2 bad babies and make sure they're in the right spot. So grass is supposed to be right there. Let's make sure that's the grass. Let's say grass. It says grass, and that one says gravel. Yeah. Let's drag this grass over here and plug it into B. Just like that is plugged in. We can get rid of that. Now, the thing is, we got another grass down here. We'll go ahead and copy and paste it. No big deal. It's also going into B because we aren't scared. I think that's why it's in B, because we're not scared. Now, the thing is, I'm going to bring this bad baby over here. Obviously, it's dirt, and it's plugged into A. So we'll plug into A just like that. And hopefully that made sense, guys. I literally just traded out the textures for the normals. And then literally, you're going to take this and plug it up here into normal. And ta-da! We're going to get a little bit of life. A little bit of life. Well, pretty much what I said there. I just leave it right there where it is, life. But no, seriously, like the shadowing and the lighting and the kind of cool stuff that the normal maps do. We got a little shade now, a little shadowing, little fake lighting blemishes, whatever not. You know, looking neat. Okay, but that's it, guys. We got our Minecraft block. We can move them out of the way. You know what I'm talking about? We can delete them. We can make them. We can do stuff with them. And just to finish up a couple things I do personally. Okay, just to make things look a little pretty. I hold the letter M, get a multiply right about right here. Okay, you know, and we take the collar. I'm looking at the diffuse here. I'm gonna take the diffuse and plug it right into here and plug this into the base collar. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna multiply it by 0.5. You could also divide by 2. That's up to you. But honestly, it's gonna get rid of the really bright. See how light it was there? And it has a little bit of a boop, boop, boop. Come on, buddy. There you go. Little dark. Calm down. Okay, that's all I'm saying is I'm just telling it to calm down a little bit. Now, let's set our metallic and stuff. Let's hold the number 1. Let's hold the number 1 again. Let's hold the number 1 again, and let's plug these bad babies into metallic, specular, and roughness. Now, metallic. Make sure it's selected. It's going to be set to 0.1. I mean, you'd think it'd be 0, but I want just a hair of its darkness that it brings. Now, specular is going to be pretty low as well. You don't want the grass and the rock that is obviously pretty dry sending like reflecting a bunch of white light. And obviously roughness is the same way. It needs to be pretty rough because we don't want it reflecting a bunch of light like it's like super smooth or wet. So 0.85 is what we'll do there. So there we go. There's our 3 settings. And that's pretty much it, guys. You got a mess of a material here. And we'll save it, and we'll go back and double check and see what it looks like. But I think that's it, guys. You pretty much got it there. Bada bing, bada boom. You got pretty much a UE4 Minecraft style material. It's pretty now. It's kind of a little darker. The metallic really helped a little bit. The specular really helped there. The roughness, everything just kind of calming that all down. But the point is, it's still kind of flat. There's a lot of stuff we could do. But boom, there's the beginning of creating like one of the Minecraft materials. We're gonna kind of like a similar one, your version of it. There's still other stuff to do. Different things to make it look better and things we'll have to work with, but this is a start. And like I said, we got more tutorials coming. We're going to learn all kind of stuff about Minecraft-style, block-style stuff we can do and different things we can do with terrains and picking up stuff and dropping stuff and all that nonsense. So, guys, thanks for watching. I love you. I miss you. Josh here with DepriveD Productions with the first tutorial in the Minecraft-style tutorial series in the Unreal Engine 4, and I'm pumped to show you guys all kind of cool stuff. So, hope you learned something. If you have any questions, holler at me. The material is kind of like the material videos we've done. A little different. We kind of dug into it with some textures. And we're getting bigger, we're getting better, we're getting badder, we're getting other words I can't say online. Let's be honest. I can say whatever I want online because it's online. But the point, I'm not gonna do it. Okay, I'm not gonna do it. But I love y'all. Hit me up on Facebook, man. The DepriveD Productions Facebook page. Hit us up on there. Go hit our SoundCloud, man. Just follow us. Check out some of the music. Most of it's free. DepriveD. Capital D at the beginning, capital D at the end. Rock out to some sweet music. Find some royalty-free tracks on there you can download to yourself and use on your video games or your movies or whatever. I don't care. Okay? Just have a blast, man. Love you guys. Miss you. Until next time. Peace.